How to save emails to files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. Opening the Mail app, you're taken to the Mailboxes page where you can view all available folders. Here, tap on the Inbox option. Once you're here, open the email you want to save. Then, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom panel. Here, you can view all the available options. Scroll down until you find and tap on Print. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Share icon. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Choose the folder you want to save it to and then tap on Save. Now, go back to your home screen and open up the Files app to view your saved email. Once you open the Files app, go to the folder where you just saved the email. Tap on the file to view your saved email and use it for future purposes. Following these steps, you can easily save emails to files on an iPhone.